Ooh, ah, pull up, how about, ooh, ah, calling them dead. Ooh, ah, pull up, ooh, ah.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be reviewing the Nadula Brazilian straight wig, and this hair is in 16 inches. So I just wanted to let you guys know in the beginning, you see like all this white stuff on my hair, that is this Eben. They have a new like lace glue, and oh my gosh, I would not recommend because it will make your hair white, as you've seen in the front. As you've seen in the beginning of the video. But basically, I'm just gonna put the wig on so you're not gonna be able to see it at the bottom part, but I'm just showing you guys how this wig looks on. I actually bleached the closure part to get it more natural, but this stuff I did use for the hair at the top because it was like flyaway hairs. Y'all know what that is, like the little small hairs at the top. And I wanted also to give some type of tackiness to the hair because I was trying to keep some curl in it and I didn't have any spritz. And as you guys see, this hair is not it does not hold a curl basically. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to just straighten this hair and have it bone straight. I'm not really used to the bone straight hair, but I will say this hair straightens so well. One thing it does, it holds a good straight, I guess technically, can it even hold a good straight? You know what I mean? It basically just really great when straightened, and it just looks so good. So that's one great thing about this hair. If you keep on watching, I do have a review after this, so I will be talking more about the hair, but overall this hair is really great, and I just wanted to show you guys this in the beginning of me doing it. I ended up cutting it also, so you'll see later on how it looked when it's cut. But definitely keep watching if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and let me know any type of comments you have about the hair in the comment box below. Have you tried the Nadula hair? Let me know how you like it. And also I will link all of Nadula's information, and they're very affordable. One thing about this hair is very affordable. So if you're looking for some affordable hair, definitely check them out. And yeah, keep watching. channel. If you're new, my name is Keena, and today we're going to be talking about this hair. Now this hair is from Nadula Hair Company on Amazon, and it is their Brazilian straight hair in inches 16. Well, obviously you seen earlier that it was 16 inches, but I had to cut it because I was like, oh, I wanted something different, and I felt like the 16 just needed, like, I don't know, just needed a cut. So this is the wig, and I cut it. This is probably maybe 10 inches, I think. I don't know, but I really like it. It's something different. I've been so used to doing a lot of the locks where I just was like, you know what, let me try something different. So today we're going to go down all the pros and the cons of this hair. Starting with the pros, you guys, this hair stays straight. Like, do you hear me? This hair was hard to get a freaking bump in. So this is like the most type of bump that I can get in the hair. So it says straight, it is straight. Now the color actually is black. You could, I guess you could say like a 1B, but if you look really close, there's like hints of like brown highlights in it. So that's another thing. Like, the color was really pretty. I felt like it was dark, but it had like some tones of brown in it as well. Now I dyed the closure part. I combed it plenty of times. I blow dried it, and I will say it did not tangle. This hair did not tangle. Now this is an initial review for hair, so I mean, usually hair doesn't tangle in the beginning anyways, but this hair was really great about not tangling. Another pro about this hair is, you guys, the wig fit. And all my big head girls like me, I don't have a small head, I have a big head, and then I have like kinky curl hair underneath, so it just makes it even like more bigger. This is big girl head friendly, and definitely it has this little thing at the back where it just fits snug. And then also you're able to put these on there as well. So if you have troubles, like you need it to be tighter because you have a small head, well, here you go. You can just put these babies on the wig in the back and then secure it that way. Also, you guys, I forgot to tell you, the hair package actually came with a wig cap, but I'm gonna tell you guys, I don't do wig caps. I just don't like it. Like, I hate it. I don't know what it is. I just think the whole like ball cap method is just not for me, so I decided not to go that route. But I did use the Got To Be, no, well, it's like a Got To Be glue gel. Is I'll put the picture there, but basically that's what I was going to push my wig down with. But that stuff to me does not work good. Like, you've seen in the beginning, or you've seen in the video where you can see like the white residue, because I tried slicking my hair back with it and it left so much white residue. It was so annoying. So honestly, I don't know if I would recommend that Eben lace closures gel, whatever, because it just turns white. And I decided not to use it because I personally didn't even need to use it for this wig. That's another pro about it. Like, the wig is literally secure, and I don't have any gel on there. I don't have any type of glue. It's literally secure. And then of course I just left my baby hairs out, the little bit of baby hairs, and then the closure looked really good. Like, it looks super well after I finish bleaching the knots. I will say, with the closure, the hair on the closure was pretty full, so that was another like pro about this wig. And like I said earlier, you do not need any type of glue to keep this wig down, so I do like that, because I do not like the idea of putting glue on my head. I know it's like a whole like thing that everybody's doing right now, but I feel like if you constantly wear wigs, that's not a good idea, just because your hair in the front is going to start to like recede. Because if you think about it, when it comes to like glues and gels and stuff, a lot of them have alcohol in it, and you constantly putting it on every day, or however much you put it on there, your edges will start to dry up and they will start to fall out. So I would advise, if you do try any type of wig, try not using like the gel method. See if you're able to just put the wig down and then see if it'll stay. So that is a good thing about this wig. You do not need any type of hair glue or gel or anything to keep this down, because I just, like, I keep messing with it. It's like, this thing is so secure, it is not going anywhere. So that's another great thing about it. It does come with 3 combs, so it's like one, or I'm sorry, it's 2 in the front, and I believe it's 1 in the back. It's one in the back. And I mean, this is pretty secure, so that's another great thing. It comes with combs, and you don't have to like glue the wig down like I said earlier. Now, it was a few cons I did feel like the hair had. So as far as the density, and y'all, this is just me, like I said, I have a big head, so I like to have a lot of hair. Even if it's short, I like for it to be extremely full. But I didn't even see the density of the wig, so it probably wasn't like really like a lot as far as with density. So that sucks, and I feel like they could have like filled the hair in a little bit more with some more hair, because the ends, as you seen earlier, like, I mean, it's enough hair, but to me, I would like to have more hair. So I just felt like it was a little bit too thin for my liking. I do feel like also another con is the hair. It is so hard to keep a curl or a bump. Like this, I literally had to go over this like maybe 5 or 6 times. But the great news is this hair is very inexpensive. For like a 16-inch, I believe it was like $96. With tax, it was like 102 point something. I can't remember, but yes, so the hair is really like inexpensive, and it definitely is affordable. So anyone looking for some affordable hair, definitely check out Nadula hair. With this wig, this is a great put on and go wig, you know what I mean? So if you have like any errands to run or any type of things like that, if you just want to go out, it looks really good. Like I said, it's straight hair and it will stay straight, so that is a good thing about this hair. I feel like the closure, when I bleached it, it really turned out really great. And I didn't dye the hair, so I don't know how the hair works as far as with dye. For the price, definitely, like, you're paying under $100 for this if you get the 16-inch. If you get an inch, that like how much I cut it for, so maybe like a 10-inch will probably be even cheaper than that. So definitely let me know what you think in the comment box below. Let me know how you feel about this hair. Have you tried this hair company? How did you like it? So far so good, you guys. I really like it. I love also the fact that I didn't have to put any of my concealer, or not my concealer, any of my foundation underneath as well. I feel like it really blended pretty well. So definitely, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And I'm so happy you guys were able to see how this hair came out, because as y'all seen earlier, sis was struggling because I started like, okay, I want some volume, and I noticed the hair wasn't helping me like with the volume. Like, it just doesn't keep volume, so I was like, it's okay, I'm gonna keep working with it. But yes, and then like, even one thing I like about it, see how I can just okay, I had started to flip. I'm looking in the mirror, y'all. I had started to flip some out on the side. I was like, ooh, you know how Cardi B been wearing hers with the flip at the bottom? I think that is extremely cute. So I was like, ooh, let me try it. I mean, so this is something is different for me, even though I mean it's like back to the basics. Like, you remember, like, I'm sure everybody first bundles were Brazilian hair. But overall, it's a look, sis, and I'm really here for it. So let me know what you think in the comment box below. Definitely give this video a like and a thumbs up. Oh, I said I like a thumb. Until my next video, you guys, I will see you later. Bye. I totally forgot to add, y'all see my little off-center part, honey. I was going for off-center part vibes, but then I think I'm just getting like lopsided part vibes, but I'm still feeling it. Are y'all here for it or not? Like, let me know in the comment box below, because I wasn't trying to do like no middle part, and I damn sure didn't want like a side part. So I was like, oh, let me do like an off-center part, but it's not that off-center. Look, it just look kind of crazy, but I mean, hey, it came out good for me. So let me know what y'all think in the comment box below, because I'm here for it all the way, sis. Like, I'm loving it. I'm loving the short. I'm not used to the short, because usually y'all know I like my long locks and everything. But yes, bye guys.